It is absolutely meta theater. We're doing a theater piece about theater. Circumvental Transformation by Annie Baker is a short play that focuses around 5 people taking an acting class together. And just as we're inviting these 5 people, or these 5 actors, we're inviting audiences to come and be a part of this experience with us as well. And I hope they'll even sort of vicariously feel like they're a part of the acting class.
I'm always excited for these kind of comical stories to come to fruition. There's this kind of meta approach to it where we're doing acting exercises. There's hula hooping, there's a lot of different physical games that you can play in acting, and being able to run around and kind of be silly with these games that we're playing is super fun.
I hope to get a lot of laughs. I think it's a really funny show because it's just so real. It almost feels like you're in it. You're in that class, in that classroom with them, and sort of experiencing it firsthand. I think that's really special.